When someone sneezes, the polite thing to say is, "Bless you." But where did this custom originate from in the first place? There are two possible explanations. The first is that people used to believe that sneezing expelled your soul out of your body. So saying, "bless you," was meant to protect your exposed soul from the devil. The second possible explanation is that during the Black Plague, sneezing was seen as a sign of sickness, and saying, "bless you," was a way of offering a prayer to someone before they died. Today, it's just polite.